ಮೂರರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಮೂರನೇ ಕೃತಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ ಕೃತಿ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಕಥೆಗಳು. ಅವರಿಗೆ 1977ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕೃತಿ ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್ ಕೃತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವೀರ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ. ಇವರಿಗೆ 1977ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಐದನೇ ಕೃತಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಕಾಕ್ ಅವರ ಕೃತಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಅವರಿಗೆ 1990ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಐದನೇ ಕೃತಿ ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ ಕೃತಿ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಇವರಿಗೆ 1994ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಆರನೇ ಕೃತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ನಾರಡು ಕೃತಿ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಇವರಿಗೆ 1998ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಆರನೇ ಕೃತಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ ಕೃತಿ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಇವರಿಗೆ 2010ರಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hi everyone, my name is Respiratory. In this model, we are discussing about three types of energy: solar energy, water energy, and wind energy. Solar energy comes from sun, and water energy comes from hydroelectricity, and wind energy comes from hydroelectricity. This process captures the water from the water plant and from river, dam, and generate electricity. Solar panel, it gets heat from the sun and generate electricity. It is one of the most cost-effective earthline in the earth.
My name is Muhammad Rahman. I am studying in J standard. This is hologram. The light which are reflected by transparent sheet. It shows 3D picture. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to check blood group test. So I am going to show how to do blood group test. So here I taken 3 samples of blood. Now I am going to apply antigens on it. This antigen A. This antigen B. And mainly antigen B. By this we come to know that it is positive or negative. Now I will mix it. This is B negative. How I find it means this blood is different. This blood also different. It remains same. And here also this blood is different. So it B negative. Thank you.
Army jet model. This is used in soldiers. This is also known as army weapon. This is also known as army weapon jet. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Dr.A.P.J from first standard. This model shows how respirations happen in our body. The pipe is the trachea carries air inside. The balloons are the lungs. Inside the lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli. When we push the syringe, air goes into the lungs. The alveoli takes in oxygen. Oxygen travels in the blood to all parts of the body and gives us energy. When we put the syringe, carbon dioxide comes out of the lungs. This is how our lungs help us breathe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dr.A.P.J and I study in class 8. This is the story about how a tiny cell in our body can lead to a life-threatening disease. Once upon a time, there lived a normal cell. It was very healthy, it lived peacefully with other cells and formed a healthy tissue. But one day, due to harmful chemicals, pollutions or radiation, a small mistake happened inside the cell's DNA. This stage is called mutation. Normally, a damaged cell would die, but this cell refused to die. It said, "I will not die," and became an immortal cell. Later on, these immortal cells started breaking rules. It divided again and again and again. They started forming a group of bad cells. As time passed, these immortal cells created a large group and started becoming more dangerous and stronger. Later on, they entered the body, blood and lymph. They traveled to different parts of the body and settled there and formed a tumor. This is how a small cell can change into a life-threatening disease. So, I thank you. I hope my model helped you understand the importance of early detection, healthy lifestyle, and awareness.
Start.
My name is Bashar. I am studying in 7th standard. My model name is hemodialysis. Hemo means blood, dialysis means filtration. When the who lost the kidney, has kidney, the blood goes blood pump and dialyzer. The dialyzer will filter the blood using these chemicals and the filter blood goes to our body. This helps who lost the kidney to filter their blood. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anuradha. I am studying in 7th standard. I am going to say how the excretory system works. This excretory system contains a bean-shaped kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Each kidney is in reddish brown in color. The nephrons in the kidney filter out all other wastes. The waste is removed in the form of urine. The urine contains 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5 other nitrogen wastes. The urine passes from the kidney to the two uretras. The uretras carry the blood to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is the polyelastic muscular bag-like organ in which urine is stored. Thank you.
collected on the top of the house, sent to the filtration tank. Filtration tank sent to the well. From the well, we will use it many purposes like gardening, cleaning the house, and drinking water. This way, rainwater harvesting is useful. Thank you.
Anybody say?
My name is Faiza. I am studying in 9th standard. My topic is Air India plane crashed in Ahmedabad. There were 242 people and 24 people's body has got. The petrol switch was half turned off and the petrol can't pass through the engine. So the Air India plane crashed in the PG Medical College. Thank you.
Myself, I am studying 8th standard. My topic is working model of kidney. A kidney model illustrates the organs, mean shape, structure, its key interval components, and its roles filtering waste from the blood. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sanchika Vivi. I am studying in 3rd A1. Today I am going to say about layer of earth. The earth is divided into 3 layers called as crust, mantle and core. Crust is made up of soil, rock and minerals. Mantle is just below the crust. Core is the deepest layer of the earth. Thank you.
Dr.A.P.J. School. This model is carbon purification. Demonstrate carbon purification using activated carbon, plastic bottle, activated carbon, sand, gravel, dirty water, cut bottle with layers and carpets, sandal, gravel and carbon. Dirty water throughout, cool water throughout. Collect filtered water. Advantage: removes impurities, improves water quality. Disadvantage: limited capacity, need regular replacement. Thank you.
My name is Hani. I am from 7th standard. I am going to tell about what is renewable energy working model. Demonstrate solar wind energy conversion like solar panel, battery, LED lights and bulbs. It connects solar panel to battery, place in the sunlight. It connects wind turbine to battery, blow in the air. Its advantages are sustainable, clean energy and reduce greenhouse emission. Thank you, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಣತಿ ಗೌಡ. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು Dr.A.P.J ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಾಮ್ರದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಆಧಾರಿತ ವಿಧಾನವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂಶಗಳೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೆಯದು ನೀರಿನ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಶುದ್ಧೀಕರಣ. ತಾಮ್ರದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು 6 ರಿಂದ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ತಾಮ್ರದ ಅಯಾನುಗಳು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತವೆ. ಇವು ಹಾನಿಕಾರಕ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುತ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಕೋಲಿ, ಸಾಲ್ಮೊನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ಜೀವಾಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುತ್ತವೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡನೆಯದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಭಗಳು. ತಾಮ್ರದ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುವುದರಿಂದ ಲಿವರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷಮತೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಶೋಷಣೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ರಕ್ತಹೀನತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮೂರನೆಯದು ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಮಿತವಾಗಿ ತಾಮ್ರದ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುವುದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಸೋಂಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೆಯದು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಾಮ್ರದ ನೀರು ವಾತ, ಪಿತ್ತ ಮತ್ತು ಕಫ ದೋಷಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. 5ನೇಯದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಬಳಕೆಯ ವಿಧಾನ. ತಾಮ್ರದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತಲು ತುಂಬ ಇಡಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು 1 ರಿಂದ 2 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕುಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಂಬೆಹಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ಉಪ್ಪಿನಿಂದ ಶುದ್ಧಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Myself, Tasmia, studying in 6th standard in Dr.A.P.J. Abdul Kalam English School. Today my model is journey of food from farm to table. Flowing. The farmers leave the seed for prepare for the seed. Seed sowing. Seed put into the soil to grow the plant. Fertilizer. Fertilizers are added to the plants to grow healthy. Paddy threshing. Farmers' grains are separated from the plants. Harvesting. The farmers collect and cut the plants. Rice mill. Rice is cleaned and overcut the plants. Wholesale market. The rice is sold in a large quantity of market. Supermarket. The rice is sold for the people. The people cook the food. To table eaten. The cooked rice is eaten. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dr.A.P.J. I am studying in 5th grade. My topic is season festival. Season festival are cultural, agricultural, nature-based celebration typical time of year such as equincy and harvest. They are make natural cycle. Eid Mubarak, Independence Day, Holi, Christmas. These are season festivals. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Modi. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I have made the model of nuclear power reactor plant. As you can see, there is a containment building. In this containment building, there are 2 uranium rods. The function of the 2 uranium rods are to generate heat energy. Here is the pool of cold and condensed water. Through this pipeline, the cold and condensed water will pass through the containment building. Because of the heat energy, the cold will exert as a steam, and this steam will go to this pipeline and turbine building. Turbine building will use it to generate electricity through steam. As you can see, there is a motor in this and which helps to generate steam into electricity. And the steam energy has gone to here and make electricity. It will go to city. And the hot water that has done in this process will go to this pipeline. It goes to these towers. These towers are called cooling towers. In these towers, the hot water will convert into cool and go on to this cold condensed pool. Through this process, we can reuse the water and continuously the electricity will be generated. In this process, the waste will be exerted in the rat waste building. And this is the diesel generator. It is used to generate electricity for the turbine building. Thank you.
We are showcasing a project on water management. Did you know just 1% of the Earth's water is available for human use? So, water management is a process of controlling and managing how to use the water. So, in this model, we have shown that how we can save the water in the washrooms. So, first, instead of pouring the water for the drainage from the wash basin, it is collected in the container known as flush tank. So from the flush tank, it is moved to the toilet for refilling the toilet or flushing the toilet. In the next concept is most of the time the tank fills and the water flows away and it is wasted. To prevent this wastage, we have made this setup so if the tank is full, we can get the alarm. We can get the alarm and you can off the motor. So most of the time the rainwater is flowed away as it is. So we have made this setup. If the rain comes, it is gathered in the well in the container and then it is used for the car wash or other purposes. Because car wash needs a lot of water and the water is wastage, we can use it for the car wash. It is used for the car wash and then the water wasted from the car wash is filtered and passed to the gardens. Thank you.
Next one.
Miss Fadeluren from grade 9 standard. Here is a simple and effective model. This model shows how the day and night occur. The side facing the sun, day, the side away from the sun, night. Therefore, the rotation of the earth is called, creates a continuous cycle of day and night. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sagar Kumar from 9th standard. My topic is water sensor machine. I will show my topic. When I dip my glass in the sensing, it will come out the water. When I take my glass, immediately stop the water and automatically. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Mohammad Sujay from 9th standard of Dr.A.P.J. School. My model is drip irrigation. In an era marked by climatic change, drawing fresh water from the water resource like lake, ponds, etc. We take water to pour the plants in the agricultural land. It gives energy to the plant.
I am from 7th standard. This is the model of human eyes, and these are the internal parts of human eyes. Like this is the outer layer of the eyes, and it's called sclera. And there is the next part is cornea. It's the transparent part of eyes and protect pupil from dust particles. And iris, it is the colored part of the eyes and control the size of pupil. Pupil, it is a black spot, and it allows to enter the light onto the eyes. And lenses are focus light on retina. Retina will send signals to the brain, and optic nervous will carry visual information from retina to the brain. Thank you.